Hey guys, welcome back to Campbell Workshop. This week I've put up all my flowers that I've made in the last year. I just realized I've made lots of different flowers, but I'm missing some greenery. So this week we're going to make some Eucalyptus Gunnii. It is also known as cider gum. They are very commonly used to set off flowers in bouquets. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below so you won't miss any of our new tutorials. First of all, we need to estimate the height of the paper strips. Place the template with a slight angle and trim the paper strip with a length of 12 centimeters. Fold the paper strip into the size of the template. Cut the paper strip open, so the paper are not linked together. Cut the fold up paper diagonally, so we will end up with some small triangles. Do the same to all the paper strips. Then we trim the 26 gauge wire into 5 cm for the template 1. Add a bit of glue to the middle line. Place a piece of wire on top, then another piece of paper. Make sure when you put them together, the pattern of the leaf is showing a V shape. When you're done, put 2 to 3 leaves together, place the template on top, and cut accordingly. If there are some paper left at the bottom of the leaf, twist the paper and wrap around the wire. Do the same to all the leaves, and adjust the wire stem accordingly. We need about 5 to 6 leaves for each template. Now we are going to mix the soft pastel into a turquoise green. I've mixed the turquoise, dark green, and light green into a mix. Colors may vary upon the brand of the soft pastel that you use, so test it out before you apply onto the leaves. Then we color the leaves with a brush. I always color the middle first and brush it out to the sides. Color both sides. After all the coloring, we're going to construct the whole branch. Take out a 20 gauge wire as the main stem. Wrap the tip with some UHU glue and a mint paper strip. Add 2 leaves to the top and keep wrapping the leaves to the stem. Starting from the smallest to the biggest, leave some space in between each layer. Make sure you place each pair of leaves right in front of each other. And wrap it all the way to the bottom. And we are done. They go perfectly well with the other flowers, or you can decorate your home on its own. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our weekly tutorials. All our DIY kits and templates are available on our Etsy store. Check them out. See you guys next week.